All right, in this pan, I know it looks dirty, but I just finished cooking all my vegetables in it. But I wanted the vegetable fond and all that down in there as I'm cooking up this lobster. At the moment, I'm melting butter and bacon fat, which is also down in the bottom of this pan. So it is just about ready, and I'm gonna drop these lobster. Now, what a lot of people don't know is here in Belize, the lobster that grow here are not known for their uh, claws. So you don't get lobster claw meat, it's all tail meat. So I've got this pan on low. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit. You know, lobster doesn't take but a minute to cook. So I'm gonna season it with some salt and pepper, and it should be ready in less than 5 minutes. All right, I washed my hands. I seasoned it with some salt and pepper. Let me get my tongs. I think it's ready to do a little flipping. So, like I said, this is all tail meat. And you know, lobster only takes a minute or two on each side to cook. Don't overcook my lobster. I get very aggro about that. Which is why I'm cooking it on low. Because I can't stand rubbery lobster. And I will pull it the second that they look ready. And then I'm going to assemble my dinner and show you guys what that looks like. I'm pulling the lobster just at the point of transparency. There's some that are still looking a little raw. Just add those onto the pan, let them heat for just a minute or two, and look at all that yummy lobster butter. You know, that's going on the plate. But I pull it like steak. I pull it right before and let that carry over time. Cook it the rest of the way through. All right, I'm about to assemble this dinner. This plate is for my son. I just did some white rice, some pan-fried vegetables. There's some beets. That's why it all looks so dark. There's beets, green peppers, green beans, carrots, corn, onions, all kinds of goodies. And there's that lobster. I'm going to pour some of that lobster butter. Not too much. He can't get it all now. Pour a little bit of lobster butter over there. Ugh. How's that look for dinner? The other thing, you guys, another reason that you want to undercook your lobster is I clearly was not going to be able to eat all of that lobster. So it's good to undercook it so that when you go to heat it through the next day, for your lunch or for your dinner, whatever you decide to eat it next, you'll still be able to cook it so that it doesn't overcook. All right, you guys, there's my son's dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed that little quick lobster dinner meal. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until next time, you better believe it. Bye.